Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am capturing the sunrise at Thane Ghodbandar Road. It is around 7 o'clock in the morning. Rustamji's sales office is also here for one of the projects. And I'm right here. Hello, what's up? I am traveling to Kalyan for a sports league of a corporate company. And it's a beautiful morning. It's Saturday. I'm loving it. I'm right here, and I came through that road, this one. The moon is also still there. Yeah, it's slightly blurry, but the moon is also seen. Yeah, now I've minimized the zoom ratio, so moon is properly seen out here. See, you can take a look at it. And once again the sun right here.